2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, OnStar, remote engine start, Bluetooth, four-wheel drive, anti-theft security system, cruise control, fog lamps, cargo cover, remote keyless entry, Park Sense Park Assist, console, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, luggage rack. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.